In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your tickets successfully on Ticketmaster. Whether it's concert tickets, sports events or theatre shows, selling tickets on Ticketmaster is a straightforward process that allows you to reach a wide audience of potential buyers. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to navigate Ticketmaster's platform with ease. Let's jump in by heading over to Ticketmaster's website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in ticketmaster.com in the address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll notice the homepage is bustling with upcoming events and promotions. Don't let that distract you. We're here to sell some tickets. Next, keep your eyes on the top of the homepage. You should see a navigation bar stretching across the top of the page. Among the options like concerts, big sports and theatre, there's one that's especially important for today: sell. Go ahead and click on sell. This will take you to the section of the website dedicated to selling tickets. Now that you've arrived at the sell section, you're met with another button clearly marked as sell tickets. Clicking on this button will lead you into the selling workflow. Here, Ticketmaster will guide you through listing your tickets, and the process is quite user-friendly. As you proceed to sell your ticket, it's important to have all the details handy about the event for which you're selling your tickets. Make sure you know the event name, date, venue and seat information. Ticketmaster will prompt you for these details during the listing process. If you're selling tickets for a concert, for example, having the section, row and seat numbers will be crucial. Ticketmaster provides a platform where you can list your tickets with various pricing options. You can choose to sell at a fixed price. Let Ticketmaster decide the pricing based on market fluctuations, or even offer an auctioning system if available. Consider what works best for you in terms of selling speed versus price maximization. At this stage, Ticketmaster might also ask you for your payment details. This is essential for them to transfer funds to your account once your tickets successfully sell. Ensure the details you provide are accurate to avoid any potential delays in receiving your payment. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps to sell a ticket on Ticketmaster. The platform will now make your listing visible to the wide audience of potential buyers. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations and notifications regarding your ticket sale. Remember, selling tickets on Ticketmaster is a great way to safely resell tickets you can't use. And by using their platform, you're assured a secure transaction for both yourself and the buyer. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy selling.